But is there a need to have 3 prefabs, one for each different alien, if they're going to have exactly the same thing? What might change is how their weapons or something very specific work. So do we need to have 3 completely different prefabs? Well, it depends on how similar they will be and in what version of Unity you're using. If you're using a very old Unity version, then unfortunately you will need 3 different prefabs for the aliens. Otherwise you can use something called Prefab Variants, which is something that I want to show you. So this orange alien, as you can see with the blue cube there, it is already a prefab. Now we are going to change the controller to the purple alien and one of the sprites to this. We're going to rename it to purple alien. Now drag and drop, and it is going to ask you if this is going to be a original prefab or a prefab variant. Choose the prefab variant. Alright. So change the name to yellow, get the yellow sprite, the yellow animator. Oh, you might need to change the box collider. Okay, reset the the position of the box collider since the sprite changed. Drag and drop and click on Prefab Variant. Okay, so let's see how it is right now. This one, we are going to delete it, but just bear with this right now. So we have this orange alien, right? Which is a normal prefab, and then we have this purple alien. And you can see here that the base is the orange alien. So it is a prefab variant of the orange alien prefab. And in the case of the yellow alien, it is a prefab variant of the purple alien variant. So you can have variants of variants. Let's say we add another alien script to the yellow alien. Nothing changes here, nothing changes here. But if you add another alien prefab to the orange alien, the purple variant gets another one, and the yellow gets another one. So there you have it, how this works.